Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Tattoo Machine is probably one of the most essential tools for any aspiring tattoo artist or seasoned professional. Choosing the right one can significantly impact the quality of your work and the comfort of your clients. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of tattoo machines, exploring different types, features, and what to look for when making your selection. Number 5. Ambition Soldier Wireless Tattoo Pen Kit. Introducing the Ambition Soldier Wireless Tattoo Kit. This complete kit has everything you need to get started. It includes a tattoo pen machine, extra battery, and various accessories. The kit comes with 80 premium tattoo cartridge needles. They are made of medical-grade stainless steel and individually packaged for safety. Each needle is rigorously tested to ensure quality. The tattoo pen machine is made of aluminum alloy and CNC carved. It's lightweight and easy to handle. The detachable design makes it easy to maintain and replace parts. This tattoo pen features a custom cordless motor. It provides powerful and efficient performance with low skin loss. The direct drive system makes it great for both lining and shading. The kit includes a 2400 mAh battery that can last for hours. It provides a stable output and can be fully charged in just a few hours. The battery is also replaceable. What we like. This kit is a complete package, including everything you need to get started. It features a powerful cordless motor for efficient and precise tattooing. If you are a beginner or a professional looking for a reliable and comprehensive kit, this is the one for you. What people say. The machine is very light and easy to handle. The machine is very quiet. The machine works very well. Number 4. Mast Fold Pro Cordless Tattoo Machine, Year of Dragon. Introducing the Mast Fold Pro, a cordless tattoo machine designed for professionals. This machine offers the freedom to create without cords, allowing for precise and detailed work. This edition includes 2 replaceable batteries, ensuring extended use. The Mast Lab's design keeps it safe and allows for long working hours. The Fold Pro is powered by the Korall C3 motor, delivering exceptional power and durability. It glides smoothly through the skin, perfect for both lining and shading. This tattoo pen is designed for creating lining, layering, shading, and blending. It's intended for professional use only, giving you the control you need. The Mast Tattoo Tech gives you more choices. It can handle all tattoo work, providing versatility for every style. The advanced direct drive system ensures smooth, precise, and quiet operation. It gently transfers ink to the skin, providing a comfortable experience for you and your clients. What we like. This machine boasts an Korall C3 motor, ensuring exceptional power and durability. It also comes with 2 replaceable batteries for extended use. If you are looking for a machine that can handle demanding lining and color packing, you should consider this. What people say. Adjustable. This has a huge range of adjustable stroke. Included, it comes with 2 interchangeable grips, 2 rechargeable batteries, and an RCA connector piece if you prefer to plug in. Came with all the cords to use it and charge it. Battery life is crazy long. I've done hella long sessions and haven't had to swap for the other battery. Number 3. Ambition Lutin Tattoo Machine and Korall Power Supply. Introducing the Ambition Lutin Tattoo Machine, crafted from aircraft aluminum for a light feel. It's short and portable, minimizing vibration for better control and less fatigue during your work. This tattoo pen features a custom brushless motor, extending its lifespan and providing more power. It operates with low vibration and noise, ensuring a smoother experience. The Korall Power Supply offers a 2200 mAh capacity with precise voltage control. It charges quickly, reaching full power in just 2 to 3 hours, and provides up to 10 hours of stable operation. Equipped with a 4.0 mm straight drive bar, this machine offers powerful performance. It ensures stable ink absorption and fast coloring, making shading and color packing more efficient. The package includes the tattoo machine, power supply, extra stroke cam, RCA cord, power cord, and a zipper box. It also comes with a 12-month warranty, ensuring your satisfaction. What we like. This machine features a brushless motor, extending its lifespan and providing powerful performance. The wireless power supply offers convenience and flexibility. If you are a tattoo artist who values precision and control, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The machine is very light and easy to handle. The machine works very well and is of good quality. It is a very good machine, I recommend it. Number 2. Ambition Mars U Wireless Tattoo Kit. Introducing the Ambition Mars U Wireless Tattoo Kit. This complete kit has everything you need to get started, including a wireless tattoo machine and extra battery. It's designed for both beginners and experienced artists. The kit includes a wireless tattoo machine, extra battery, power cable, RCA adapter, silicone RCA cord, 40 tattoo cartridge needles, ink cups, bandage, gloves, pen bags, practice skin, a zipper box, and a large suitcase. This comprehensive set ensures you have all the essentials. The Ambition tattoo cartridges needles are made of 316 medical stainless steel. Each needle is individually packaged and rigorously tested with a safety membrane to prevent ink leakage. This ensures safety and precision in every use. The rotary battery tattoo pen machine is made of aluminum alloy and CNC carved. It features 6 adjustable strokes, allowing you to easily switch between different tattooing styles. It's compatible with most cartridge needles. The 1800 mAh battery supports long-term tattoo work with a stable output. It can last for up to 6 hours at 8V and fully charges in just 1.5 to 2 hours. The LCD display shows working time, voltage, and remaining power. The Ambition rotary battery tattoo gun has a built-in cordless motor that runs at 10,500 revolutions per minute. It provides fast coloring with low skin loss and doesn't overheat during long sessions. The eccentric wheel system enhances its performance for both lining and shading. What we like. This kit offers adjustable strokes, allowing you to customize your tattooing experience. The cordless motor ensures powerful and efficient performance. If you like to have more control over your work, this is the best option. What people say. Very durable, amazing quality, and battery life is amazing. I like that it is adjustable. Lighter than my old one. This is great machine, quiet and smooth. Number 1. Ambition Soldier Wireless Tattoo Kit. This is the Ambition Soldier Tattoo Kit. It's a complete wireless tattoo machine kit designed for professional tattoo artists. It includes everything you need to get started. The kit comes with a tattoo pen machine, extra battery, RCA adapter, and various other accessories. You'll also find a variety of cartridge needles and essential tools. This kit has everything to get you started. The kit includes 120 Glory tattoo cartridge needles made of medical-grade stainless steel. Each needle is individually packaged and designed with a safety membrane. This ensures safety and precision during your work. The tattoo pen machine is made of aluminum alloy and is CNC carved. It's detachable, making it easy to maintain and replace parts. It's also lightweight, making it comfortable to use for long periods. The machine features a custom cordless motor that runs at 9,000 revolutions per minute. It provides powerful and efficient performance with low skin loss. The direct drive system makes it great for both lining and shading. The kit includes a 2,400 mAh battery that can last up to 10 hours on a single charge. It only takes 2 to 3 hours to fully charge. The battery is also replaceable, allowing for continuous use. What we like. This kit is a complete package, including everything you need to get started. It features a powerful cordless motor for efficient and precise tattooing. If you are a professional looking for a reliable and comprehensive kit with a large variety of needles, this is the one for you. What people say. The machine is very light and easy to handle. The machine is very quiet. The machine is very good for beginners. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.